18 to 22 inches of snow over the next day or so. But anyway, I got a call from this guy. He's got baseboard heating, and the second floor zone's not getting warm, or thinks that I might have air in it. So I got to go by there and check the burner, check the zones. He said something about a stove also. Check out a stove or repipe it or something. But give it a look-see. Uh-oh. Ain't looking good. Got a blockage here. Ambulance and stuff. Oh man, that ain't looking good. That ain't looking good, Miss Mom. Ain't looking good. We got a gas boiler here with 2 zones.
So yeah, he says service heating system purge zones, it needs a good cleaning. Oven gas pipe, oven is about 2 inches off the wall, would like to get it tight to the wall.
Yeah.
Then he says survey hot water tank, wife heard a noise. We don't know.
Well, the water tank is going to make noise because what's happening when it's hot and the cold water's coming in, it's going to rumble.
Okay.
That's normal because the water's hot and you got this cold water coming in because you're using the hot, and it's gonna make noise.
Okay.
As long as it's not leaking, which it's not, there's nothing you could do about it.
Okay.
So don't worry about the noise.
Okay.
Please.
All right, and then he said, yeah, would like a price to add a new zone and basement and add more baseboard to my daughter's room. A spring project time.
Well, maybe once we purge it, it might be okay. Now, the deal with your daughter's room, as long as the damp is open and there's no... whoa,
Hey.
it's okay? Hey, it's okay,
Hey,
buddy.
ma'am.
It's okay. So, underneath the baseboard, there's an air gap. You can't fill that in with rug. Sometimes they go in there with rug and they loop the rug in, and then if there's not getting an airflow, you might have to cut the rug. Is that possible? They did that?
Well, you can take a look. I don't think she just has enough baseboard in there. It's a big room, and she's only got a small section on one outside wall. Unless
you go with a little electric heater.
Well, that's what she's been doing.
That would be like one of them, looks like a little radiator. It's got oil in it.
Well, it's a plug-in one.
Boy, it's quite a bit then, huh?
We'll take a look.
Okay, let me do the purge first, and then we'll look at that. All right?
All right, thank you.
All right, so I got that off. I'm going to put these 2 down. We'll do first floor first, and we'll see if there's any air in it. Sometimes this gets stuck. That don't seem to be the case. Let's see if we're getting any flow. No water in it. Look at that. There's no water in the system. Feeder must be stuck. Wow. Need a new feeder. We're getting a little full now. Definitely got air in it. Might be blocked with shit. I've got a well here. Just heard it kick in. That's what our problem is. Got a well. So that's first. That's fine on first. I ain't looking so kosher. We'll try second, see if we even get a flow out of it. That's probably what it is, definitely airbound. Alright, so this is the second floor. Nothing coming out. I got it off. Definitely full of air. Look at it all. Definitely full of air. See it? The well's not helping it any. Get a well here. That don't help it any. Definitely got a lot of air in it. Let's see what the burn looks like. Well, it looks okay for me. I'm thinking. That's what I'm thinking. It's gonna be okay now. Needed a good purge. Second floor. We'll jump them out and we'll check it after. Make sure they both come back nice and toasty. I gotta clean the burners. Yeah, she's definitely looking a little crusty there. I guess I'll get the power off of this thing. Just want to see what them burners look like. Yeah, ain't bad. Fine. Ain't bad. Only one that's ain't bad. Yeah. They're fine. I'm just gonna make sure you put the burners up. Okay, then we'll roll back in. I'm fine. We'll jump out first and second floor and run this thing. Make sure it's okay. Oh yeah, I'll just have a turn on both thermostats. Neither one of them are working, but this, we'll have a turn on both thermostats. Usually we have ignition. Just want to make sure both zones come back hot. There's only got one up right yet. Make sure they're both working. That's the first floor's working now. Hold a second, I'm not sure. First floor's calling. Well, they're both working off one thermostat, looks like. Unless that one's not. I don't think that light's working on that one. Yeah, they're both working. I don't think that light's working there. Alright, so zone 1. 120. That one's working. Zone 2. 120, so that one's working. This light's out. This first floor one's coming back nice and hot for sure. Second floor, not yet. Give it a little time. The first floor is definitely fine. Second floor, not so much.
Whoa! You can shut the first floor one off and leave the second floor one on.
So you're just going to shut the first floor one down and leave the second floor one on. See if that one starts coming back. I might have to purge that some more. Maybe. There's quite a bit of air in it already. The gauge is not working. I'm tapping on things. As I'm tapping on it, it's going up. It's definitely not right. She's wonky. She's going flipping woke. She's gone wokey on us. She's going flipping wokey. Yeah, she's going to start coming back warm now. Give it a minute. He wants another zone. I got the relays here. I'd have to take this plug out and put another circulator here, or I could take this out and put a circulator here. The plug here, this is all inch and a quarter. Inch and a quarter, inch and a quarter. Take it out, put a reducer with a flow check here. Put another circulator here. Come out, turn, and put it over here or something out of the way. And then run over and run it there with the baseboard along that wall. That's probably a good 15 feet right there. We could put a thermostat on this wall here. Put a thermostat right here and run the baseboard over. He's gonna have to move them shelves though if he wants heat. I'm saying that's 10, 15 feet. Okay, fine. So 8, 8, 16, and that's another 5. Yeah, she's coming back nice now. She's starting to come back nice now. Alright, so the second's coming back nice and toasty now. I had to turn the first off and the second's coming back nice. Purge first and second floor zones, clean burners.